Domestic rural vessels depart from Nagoya Port to east and west every day, carrying various cargoes. Various types of trailers are used for land transportation from ports. Our experienced field workers, drivers, and mariners deliver customers' cargoes across Japan promptly and safely. Fuji Trans Group's domestic logistics base is located in the area called Kyugochi at Shiomi-pur of Nagoya Port. The core facilities and equipment of domestic logistics, such as motor pools, warehouses, and quays, are gathered here. We have 17 bases from Hokkaido to Okinawa and are deploying a network that connects major ports on the Pacific coast. In the logistics industry, where business is often fragmented, we have established a consistent business system by owning all facilities and functions within the Fuji Trans Group in order to create a smoother logistics system. Cargo shipping information is aggregated online and provided to customers in real time. In addition, we have further strengthened our consistent sea and land transportation system by acquiring all business licenses necessary for logistics within the group. We, Fuji Trans Corporation, were the first company in Japan to operate a car carrier. We have an experienced knowledge in automobile transportation that we have cultivated over many years. When a vessel gets to shore, hundreds of cars are quickly brought into the vessel. Skilled drivers park these cars orderly into a limited space. Each car is securely fastened with the special equipment. Every operation is done carefully, efficiently, and a large number of cars are daily delivered to each domestic base. In domestic logistics, we use loading method that utilizes the characteristics of rural vessel. The trailer which loaded directly onto the ship is separated with its head and only the chassis is loaded. Such trailers are self-propelled, which allows speedy loading. Only the loaded chassis is transported by sea. When it arrives to destination port, we attach it to another trailer head and transport by land. This is the consistent sea and land transportation system with excellent cost performance that can be done because all facilities and functions are owned within our group. We load a variety of cargoes and transport it to major ports across Japan every day. There are two major domestic shipping routes. One is east route from Nagoya to Tohoku and Hokkaido, and the other is west route from Nagoya to Chushikoku, Kyushu, and Okinawa. On the east route, the main rural vessels take 4 days to get to Sendai and Tomakomai and come back to Nagoya Port. On the west route, there are two operation routes, one for the Seto Naikai and one for Kyushu and Okinawa. At each port, cargo to be transported by land is unloaded, and at the same time, cargo is loaded to be transported to the next port. For Fuji Trans Group, Nagoya Port serves as a hub port in Japan, transporting cargoes from east to west and from west to east.